A shop owner bought X packets of jackfruit chips. The first customer bought 2 packets. The second customer bought half of the remaining and one extra packet. The third customer bought 1/3 of the remaining and 2 extra packets. If there are 4 packets remaining, how many packets did the second customer buy? Right. So for these type of question, let me tell you a very beautiful way to solve these questions, right? The way जिसमें आप गलती नहीं करोगे कभी, ठीक है? So you write the you write the chips at the start, chips at the start, at the start, right? And second you write is second column is remaining, remaining chips, remaining chips, right? So I'm starting, I'm assuming that I have start. Okay, so a shop owner bought X packets of, at the start there were X chips. The first customer bought X minus 2 packets. So remaining would be X minus 2. 2 packets चले गए, X minus 2 बचे. Now every time you have something remaining, assume it as a new variable. I'm assuming it to be A, right? Now there are A chips. So at the start of the second round, where second customer bought this much amount, I had A packets of chips, right? And he bought half of the remaining and one extra packet. If he bought half of the remaining, can you see? If he bought half of the remaining, if he bought half of the remaining, so how many chips are left? Half of these, that is A by 2. Also, he took one extra packet, so there would be one less packet, and I'm assuming it to be B. Now chips at the start of third round would be B. Now the third customer bought 1/3, remaining would be 2/3 of B. Also, he took 2 extra. Now these are 2 less, right? And so these packets are remaining chips are this much. Now if there are 4 packets remaining, so this must be equal to 4, right? So from here I can get the value of B, and that would be 6 into 3, 18 by 2 is 9. If B is 9, I can put this value as here. I can get the value of A would be 10 into 2, 20. And if I got the value of 20, I can get the value of X, and that would be 22, right? So how many packets did the second customer buy? So second customer, I had the 20 chips, and after that, the remaining chips were 9. So the second customer bought the difference of these, that is 11 chips. So the correct answer to this question would be 11.